Okay. Okay, Deepak, hello. All right, so let's go back to no. Sorry, let's do this again. Okay. So sorry, I don't have my phone here at the moment. Sorry, I don't have my desktop. So I'm going to have to do this via the phone. So I'm sorry, this might take a wee bit longer than I normally like to do. Okay, number one query need to clarify that an invoice search page and where will it redirect. So the main thing about this invoice search number. So this page here is purely for when this will be on the main screen of in our shop on permanently. So when a customer comes in and they say, "Hi, I'm here to pick up an item," and we would say to them, and they won't say, "Oh, here's my invoice number." They would say it straight away. So this is just a fast way of us bringing it up. So we type that in, and then when what results we will get is it will bring us to this page on our desktop, just our normal orders page. The only difference with this orders page is it will say hashtag W8746 or S8747 because obviously it's a shop versus a website sale. Okay, hope that makes sense. Query 2. On the search item, you said it will redirect to front end website item page. But if customer add to cart and orders from there, will it generate website order for the shop? No. No, so the only reason that we would have this, so if they say item number search, this is purely for us in the shop where people come in and they might say, "Hi, yes, I went on your website. Here's the item, and I really like an item. This is the item number. It's hashtag 12345." Okay, we can search it. It brings up the item on the website. So then we can go check that we have the item in the shop. Go, yep, we've got this item. He has a look, and then he will say, "Yep, great. Okay, I want to buy it." And then we just do the normal thing which we would do. So we would go, "Okay, great. Have you filled out the tablet? Are your details there?" "Yes, I have." "Excellent." Okay, and then we would start the shop sale item down the bottom here. We'll click that bottom button. Okay, and just start the process. Invoice page. Okay. On click of the item saying on the bottom for resize or other, button will pop up, and in which there will the options to add the type of service, resize, stone cutting, price notes for new job, and please select collection date pop. Okay, for added items, for added new job in communication list. Will the price of the resize or cutting stone job, etc., be added to the invoice table? Yes. Yes, so definitely. Sorry, let me just bring it up. Didn't bring it up. Let's bring that up. Okay, so yes, definitely. So when they click on payment options, it will bring up. I'll get bring my little stylus out. Hopefully, this will make it a bit easier. Yeah. So yes, in this case, see, we said here jewelry making. So I've clicked that button at the top there saying jewelry making. Then I needed to type in 18 karat yellow gold. Okay, so I just as a staff member would type that in. There's also the price at the top corner here. You see that price. So we click the price. We enter in what the price is, $9.95. Click save, and then it would have put in one. It would put in one jewelry making, $9.95, and then I would have added in as a staff member. Alexia, I'm on the phone, please. 18 karat gold as I've typed that in, or any additional information.
What you doing?
I'm just explaining to my programmer what work I'd like to do on the website.
Dad, you're going to
I'm just doing a recording, buddy.
going to do that thing for my
Yes, if you leave me alone, go away and I'll send her a text. Give me 30 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, number 2, on click of payment option button pop-up shows where the user can add the amount paid to the customer. And below, that amount details will show according to months with interest rate. Amount paid by customer also show in the message below the invoice total, total section like customer name has paid something amount and will pay the remaining amount on collection. Query, not clear about how the order of this partial payment will be generated. Will it be considered as recurring payment order or normal? Okay, so with the very top one, at the very top there it says part payment. How much is being paid today? $1,000. Okay, and then we will click save. So that automatically says Bob, the customer, has paid $1,000 and will repay the remaining amount of $490 on collection. This is only to do with the shop. So he doesn't have to pay anything else. There's no, except for when he comes and actually picks it up. So this is not a payment plan. This one is just the partial payment, basically a deposit being put down. So with part payment, I can't really show them, but the very top option, part payment, that is just basically a deposit. Lay-by is also, there's no real payment plan there, but don't worry so much about this, Deepak. I will explain this further, but let's just say, let's just go with number 2. So number 2 is basically the exact same website terms. So number 2 would say, okay, so let's say it's 1,490. We add 5% onto the total. We divide it into 3 parts. They have to pay 1/3 today, and then they pay 1/3 in a month's time, and then 1/3 in 2 months' time. And we would just say, and then after that, there would be a bracket saying, okay, what the total amount is, extra that they pay, just so it's nice and clear, so we can explain it to the customers. So yeah. We would also need, this is getting a little bit more complicated, but so this is what this part we'll probably do last, but just be aware we have to do it. We'll also have to actually add the credit card details onto the system, and do it via as a website payment, because that way we can redo the payment plan via eWay. I hope that makes sense. But so just don't worry. Do this. Work on that one last. Just be aware that we will have that there will be that kind of system in place. If you need do need me to explain it now for the programming, then I can do it. I can do it in the next couple of days. But yeah, so just let me know. Solid Opal item section is also there for the Opal which are not in website. Needs submit button, also quantity, auto generate weight option, price. So okay, will there be any image upload option or pop up for this option which are not on the website? Needs submit button, yes quantity. Will there be any image upload option or pop up? I think that for this option here, maybe there will be an option where we can take a photograph of it with the laptop. So nothing fantastic, no upload, just something that's nice and fast. So we can basically hold it in front of the camera of the laptop and just take a quick picture. So yeah, use the camera in the actual computer. Number 4, user also wants that this program should also work even if the internet is not available, and it should daily update. Okay, a user wants to, not the user, no, staff, just staff like us, wants to store the website database unlike all of user on daily basis. If internet is not available to user, then invoice generate should be stored somewhere in user system as processing or pending queue status in database. So I'm not sure of the answer to that, Deepak. So all I know is I want to make sure that the system works offline, so that if the internet is down, that it can still work, and it still works fast and quickly, to the best of our ability. So imagine the internet's down, then that way it wouldn't be able to access all the images, it wouldn't know the prices, etc. But if it downloads all the information to the laptop, which the staff are using, then even if the internet's not working, we could still use the system. Is that right? Number 5, souvenir and doublet section. On clicking for the souvenir and doublet section, there'll be a button. New pop-up will open and list of products and items. Will show the pop-up, show the name and price of the invoice. Will the price of these products be calculated in total discount? No. Okay, let's just have we'll have these at fixed price. We'll be able to edit. We'll be able to edit them and change the price on the you maybe have to do a separate invoice, but no, overall no. I don't want those items to be discounted. Let me say that no at this point in time, and let me have a bit more of a think about it to see whether that's going to be possible. But no, we don't discount those items. Okay, number B, do I have to create a new section in the back end to add the souvenir, or will it be added as a product from a product management section in the back end and need to be added the new category like souvenir? These items are not going to be on the website. So yeah, don't completely set. We can still set it up on the back end of the website, but they won't be shown as a product. They can't be purchased on the website. So don't worry about category, or don't connect it to the website at all. Just connect it to the point of sale system. I've created a sample design page, bottom of the section yet to be started. Please let me know if you have any challenges. Okay. Hi Jeff, this regarding the multiple product have the same item number. Okay, so anyway, I'll finish this and I'll reply to the other question. Thanks, Deepak.